Okay, ladies and gentlemen, okay, today I want to share with you on topic bearish versus bullish market. Okay, by my friend Muhammad Helmi bin Abu Hassan and also me, I'm Zakar Ibrahim. We are together as a financial advisor and financial consultants for getting gain in this era. Alright. So right now we can see that what is the bear, what is the bull, right? So the bearish and the bullish. The bearish is going down. Okay, benda yang jarang berlaku is going down means that the market tumble is a plunge, maksudnya market jatuh. Bear ni macam jalan menunduk kan. Okay, you tengok bear and then you tengok bull. Very simple. Dalam dunia investment ataupun stock market kan, ataupun hartanah pun, kita akan beli bila harga murah. Konsep dia, kalau contoh ada buat sale, beli baju, very simple, beli baju, sale. Masa harga murah, kita ambil. Alright, that's why masa zaman sekarang, zaman Trump tarif, is zaman bearish. So bearish ni adalah market tengah going down, jatuh. So orang traders, kalau betul-betul the real investor ataupun savers, penabung, dia akan ambil peluang masa bearish. Jarang berlaku. Kalau kita ikut statistik stock market dalam beberapa tahun, kalau tuan-tuan dan puan tengok, if you are going to see that this one is a bearish time, how many years it will take. Dan kalau if you see the orange one is a bearish one, is going down one, means that the market is at the low par, means that beyond the par. And then the bullish one is the blue black one. Okay, it's going up is like 7.1 years, like this, 1.1 years. Okay, so kita tengok, if you look see here is bila bearish, when is bearish, it's like the longest is 1.7 years, 1.5 years, 7.9 months, 6.4 months, 1.2 months. But right now we're facing that the Trump is going to pause means they put a stop for a while for 90 days untuk tarif. So those yang country yang nak negotiate dengan Amerika, so means that we are going to have a 90 days. So masa sekarang ni adalah masa yang sangat sesuai, tapi bila kita masuk waktu sekarang ni, kita masuk stagger for a while. And then bila dah berkuat kasa tarif tu, market akan going down, boom. And then dia akan, setiap satu keadaan adalah strategi yang mana bila market jatuh, kita akan ambil peluang market, peluang tersebut. Paling lama pun tengok dia bertahan 1.7, 1.5 tahun, 1.7 years, 3.3 months, okay, jatuh. Tapi bila kita tengok graf yang warna biru ni, the blue black is better lah. The blue black one is better. So means that 12.3 years. So the ROI is like that lah. Okay, I will share with you this slide later. Okay, so bull market, bear market means that dalam global dunia ni, dalam contoh, kalau China jatuh, Amerika naik. Kalau Amerika naik, China jatuh, ataupun dua-dua jatuh. So ataupun India pun ada. So I go for India, China and America. Alright, so kita tengok sini. So the real situation for this one is a history of US bear and bull markets. So this is the history stated already. Okay, so the next one is a bearish fund and performance. So right now, if you have for example like EPF, April Fund, EPF, and then you put your money to this fund in public mutual, alright, it seems like it's going down kan, tengah jatuh semua sekali, but it's okay. Nampak tak, dia jatuh tu how many months, dia tak jatuh lama. Memang waktu sekarang ni memang tengah jatuh. Alright, so masa tengah jatuh, it's time for you to buy more, to get more unit. Contoh kalau kita beli, kita ada 1 juta, contoh let's say RM ringgit 1 juta, and then suddenly market jatuh. Jadinya daripada you beli rumah berharga 1 juta untuk 2 biji, 500 ribu you dapat beli rumah. Tiba-tiba market jatuh, harga tanah jatuh, ibarat you dapat beli 4 biji buah rumah. So that is very simple mathematics. Alright, so it's going down. Okay, harga tengah murah, when the price is going down, so you buy more. Okay, so and then this is a bullish part. Okay, kalau kita tengok tahun 2020, 24 March till 17 February, means that after pandemic, this is a pandemic time. So masa time kita beli pada 20 April, selepas kejatuhan yang paling bottom selepas pandemic, when we are facing pandemic for the April, then we can see the impact. Yeah, we can see the impact after 17 February 2021. Yeah.